Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with SMG.
The place where learning English is simple and fun.
My name is Sam. I am very happy to be here today.
Hello, everyone. My name is Lisa. I am also very happy and excited today.
Lisa, the weather is very nice today. The sun is shining.
Yes, Sam. It is a beautiful sunny day. Sunny days make me feel happy.
Me too. Before we start our conversation, let's talk to our friends watching us.
Hello, friends. Thank you for watching English with SMG.
If you like learning English with us, please press the like button.
And please subscribe to our channel so you can learn English every day.
Also, share this video with your friends and family.
Sam, what is our topic today?
Today, we are talking about simple life.
Yes, simple life means enjoying small things every day.
Life can be busy, but small habits make us happy. Lisa, what do you do in the morning?
First, I open my eyes and smile. I say, today is a good day.
That is very positive. I usually want to sleep 5 more minutes.
Then I go to the kitchen and make coffee.
Ah, coffee. The smell of coffee is amazing.
Yes, I sit near the window and drink my coffee. I watch birds and trees.
That sounds very peaceful. A quiet morning is good for the mind. I always eat breakfast. I eat eggs, bread, and fruit.
That is very healthy. Breakfast gives us energy.
Yes, if I don't eat, I feel angry and tired.
After breakfast, I like to walk.
Walking is very good. You don't need a gym.
I walk in a small park near my house. I see green grass and flowers.
That makes the body and mind strong.
Sometimes I meet my neighbor. I say, hello, how are you?
That is very nice. A simple hello can make someone happy.
Yes, small talks are small joys.
Sam, what do you do when you feel stressed?
I stop and take a deep breath. Then I drink water.
Water is very important, but we often forget it.
I also listen to music.
Me too. Music makes work and cleaning fun.
I sing when I wash dishes.
Oh, Sam, your neighbors are brave. In the afternoon, I learn something new.
That is great. Learning keeps the brain active.
Even 10 minutes a day is enough.
Yes, learning English every day is better than once a week.
Like a plant, a little water every day helps it grow.
I like calling my family.
Me too. I call my mother every day.
Even a short call makes us feel connected.
Sometimes I meet friends for pizza at home.
Simple food, good friends, and laughter. Perfect happiness.
In the evening, I turn off my phone.
That is very difficult.
Yes, but it helps me sleep better.
I like taking a warm shower.
And before sleep, I think about 3 good things today.
That is gratitude. It makes the heart peaceful.
Sam, we don't need a lot of money to be happy.
Yes, happiness is in coffee, walking, friends, and sleep.
Small habits create a happy life.
Friends, try one small good habit today.
Now tell us in the comments, what small thing makes you happy?
Thank you for watching English with SMG.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.